Hey love bugs, it's a girl Ruthie Carmel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video we are accomplishing this makeup look and without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So the first thing your girl doing, I am basically moisturizing my face. Now the thing with my face, I have oily and dry skin, so the proper moisturizer is, essential for my face. I'm also going to leave the product details in the description so that way you guys can know exactly what I'm using. And also, I like using my hands to distribute the product because not only that, like the heat of the hands helps it, but I don't know, like I just like doing that. So I'm just using the foundation brush to also contribute the foundation on my face, even though it looks a little orange, but believe me, I'm not gonna look orange, okay? I'm also going to use a damp beauty blender to distribute everything to make sure that it looks flawless and evenly distributed. And I'm also gonna moisturize my lips with some chapstick. And with this contouring palette, I'm going to use the lighter shade, basically the highlight shade, to highlight anywhere I want to appear lighter. Basically highlight my under eyes as well as my chin and my forehead, well in this case my sixth head, and also my cheekbones. I'm also going to use the concealer, which is a couple shades lighter, not too light. I'm going to use the brush to basically blend those two products together. Now remember, the key is to blend, okay? Like blending is our best friend. So now that we're done with that, I'm going to use like a darker foundation to basically put under where my cheekbones are. I'm going to use the banana powder to basically set any creases or just to set the concealer so that way it doesn't fade out. Now I'm going to let that powder bake a little bit so that way it can remain on my face for the whole day. You know what I mean? Now while it bakes, I'm going to put the extra little blue. I love this blue, y'all. Like, it's so gorgeous. I just feel like blue underliners, like it just enhances brown eyes. Like, I love it. So I'm just gonna go into the finished product for my eye makeup. And also I'm going to make another video on how I how I did this eye makeup. So that's going to be another video separately that's coming soon, so that way I go into further details on that. And also don't mind my lashes because it wasn't glued on properly, but toward the end your girl fixed it. So I'm going to use the contouring powder to basically contour my face. It smells so good, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. I have lash lines, so using the banana powder basically helps with that, so that way the line can kind of smudge in a little bit. Now I'm going to use the bronzer to basically bronze my face. And I'm going to use the same bronzer to basically define my nose. Now y'all, I'm just using any random brush I see. Like, don't be like, oh my goodness, why she using an eyeshadow brush to put that on? Like, I'm just using any brush that came on my hands. Blush on my face, and with this highlight, y'all, I was not expecting that. Okay, I was not expecting that highlight to be bomb like that. Like, that shooketh me. Like, for real, it shooketh me. Like, oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna highlight underneath my eyebrows, in that place, and also my nose and my chin, and also the top of my lips. And a little something in the corner of my eyes as well. Now the main thing with this highlight, because it's so like, oh my goodness, it's so deep, I'm going to use the brush to basically brush it out, so that way it can go smoothly with the rest of my face, and for it not to look like I'm a glazed donut out here. I'm just gonna go over the little details so that way you guys can see what's up. The main thing is just keep blending. You can never go wrong with blending your face. Now y'all, for the lips, like, I love pink, okay? I love pink, but I felt like this pink was a bit too much. So I just kind of pat it down, and then I put on a lighter, smoother pink. I don't know if that's a color kind of pink, but that's what I did here to kind of like fit it out. Because I feel like the first pink, well, it was kind of too ratchet. It was a bit ratchet. So now I just put on some gloss on it to gloss up my lips a little bit, you know what I mean? Just it looks so cute. But yes, guys, so this is the finished look, thank you guys so much for tuning in, for watching. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or whatever, just make sure to comment below, or let me know on my Instagram what you guys thought of this video. Until next time, my loves,